Hello, it's Rhonda Thomas, and we are going to finish up the last problem for Chapter 2's coursework. Zoom crunched on me, but we're going to get this finished. So let's go ahead and share the screen. We can call it good. All right. When it threw me out, we were working on putting in the trial balance, I believe. So let me scoot this over and bring this down. Okay. So yes, we were working on putting in the trial balance. So we were at the truck. Okay, so the truck is $38,500. Okay, and then we have a notes payable of $33,500. Accounts payable has $13,250. Common stock has $50,000. Back over to the left is the dividends. Okay, dividends is 2,500. Fees earned. Okay, is the next one. Back over. Credit balance, 33,800. All of these are now wages. All of these are now expenses. So we've got 6,800 and 4,000. And I think this is 4,500 and 350 and 1,000. Let me just double check. Yes, looks like it is. Okay, so here is the balance on both sides. Okay, so the balance is 130,550 on both sides. Okay, let's check it. See how we're doing. Okay, the most important thing is that you don't see any points missing. If you really want, okay, so now I got to go back to the truck expense. Truck expense is $1,250. My mistake. Okay, so then I think we're okay. Now we're good. Okay, so 118 out of 118, 124 out of 124, and 376 out of 376. Now the last piece is asking about the final question. Okay, so final question is determine the excess of revenues over expenses for November. Okay, so if we go look at that trial balance, we see that it's 33,800. Okay, and it looks like, okay, that it's 17,550. Let's give it a try. And, hold on. That's not right. Oh, I got to do the math here. All right, that's the number of total expenses, 16,250. Let's see here. Yes, and so that's also known as excess revenue. So don't be scared of that other word there. Okay, all right. And then can you think of any reason why the amount determined in 4 might not be the net income for November? It's because necessary adjustments to expenses like depreciation has not been made. Now, if you don't quite understand that, that's okay. We will go into that in chapter 3. Okay, and I am going to say goodbye for now. And we are finished with chapters 2's coursework. You have 4, I think, to do on your own. One just like we did with your own set of numbers for number 7, and then you just have a few other things. Okay, so not too bad. Not too bad. Do the best you can, and I will say goodbye for now. Hang in there. Thank you for your hard work.